Hello, welcome to my presentation. So, our topic is why should we have dog as our pet? There are several reasons why we should have dogs as our pet. First of all, is that dogs can help us keep a good mental health, and also that dogs can improve our physical condition. And last reason for having a dog is because they can help us and protect us from dangerous things or critical moment or bad things in our life. Dog improve our physical condition and our mood. So have a dog, it will promotes us to exercise more because we do not have to spend a lot of effort to walk our dog in the subdivision or walk around. While walking the dog, it is sort of an exercise for us to do. So it is really effortless, and we won't feel lazy to walk a dog because it will become a daily routine for us, which is good for our physical health. Dogs can bring us happiness and reduce negative feelings like nervousness, stress, some bad thoughts like suicidal thoughts, and sometimes when we feel depressed while cuddling a dog or have some fun with our dog, it will relieve our bad feelings. So dogs can really help us have a better mood. So there was a survey shows that 87% pet owner say they have experienced with health improvement resulting from pet ownership. So dogs can lower risk of mental declining for elder people in our family. Having a dog, it will be a treatment for us to protect elder people from Alzheimer's disease and dementia. And then dogs provide a lot of opportunities for people to exercise. And while exercise, it will stop us from age-related cognitive decline. So that is a good thing that we have a dog and walk them. It will bring us good mood and help us with these kind of diseases. And then a team at the University of Michigan studied over 1,300 people with an average of 65% and found that long-term pet ownership helped to delay aging in brain. So last reason why we should have dog is because dog can help and save our life. So a lot of dogs, like service dogs, can help people with disabilities, like those dogs guiding blind people, or dogs helping those people who have disability, like move around, or like people who are doing some hard labor jobs. They will need dogs to help them. So having a dog in our house will surely help us in a lot of ways. And then dogs can also save our life in critical situations. Like for example, if something happens, bad things happen, like there is a earthquake or a fire or some bad people break into the house or trespassing, dogs can know that before us, and then while they are barking, it can give us a signal for us to notice there's a situation happening, and we can have a respond to it. So dogs can serve as an alarm to bad things and dangerous situations. So below it is a link that shows that dogs helps people before earthquake. Look at these. Earthquake is going to happen, dogs just run away, and then the guy just saw dogs walk away, and then all of a sudden there's earthquake. So dogs can always see bad things happens before it really happens. So it is a good alarm for people to act when dogs are acting not normal. So we should have a dog in these situations, so it will help us to evacuate when different when bad things happens. And also there was a story that a 6 years old kid in his house sleeping while there was a fire in the house, and then the dog just licked that kid's face and awake the kid, and then both the kid and the dog evacuate the house safely. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation, and I hope you should have I think you should have a dog as your pet, not only because they can bring you happiness and make you having a good mood. It's also because dogs can save you from difficult situations, help you with your daily life, and having a dog can also help with elderly people in your family to fight against those age-related diseases. Thank you.